Hi YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So it's been a while since I recorded a long form video. Lately I've been doing a lot more YouTube shorts and sharing new purchases on Instagram first because it's just a lot easier to give you quick updates there. But since I haven't given you guys a long form video in a while, and this one's kind of special, it's celebrating a big change for me, I thought it'd be appropriate to dedicate a full video. I honestly did not see this bag coming, but here it is and I am low-key in love. So I picked it up in store. Here is my receipt. And now let's open up this box. Now you guys, I was not expecting this. It looks like my CA wrote me a note. I'm going to read this off camera, but that was really, really sweet of her. And the bag that I just picked up is the Louis Vuitton On-The-Go East-West. So you guys, this bag was not on my radar at all. I made a little wish list earlier this year and the On-The-Go MM was on that wish list. But to me, that bag is just a little too big for every day. It sort of reads to me as a work or travel bag, but this bag for me is going to be the perfect everyday size. It's big enough to hold all of my daily essentials, but it's not so big that it feels heavy or takes over whatever I'm wearing. I also considered the On-The-Go PM. Honestly, it came down to the PM or the East-West, but the strap on the PM was pretty thin and it wasn't tall girl friendly. But if I'm being honest, neither is this one, but I have a plan for this one and I feel like this one is going to work out a whole lot better for me. I'll tell you all about that, show you what I'll be carrying inside and why this one's a little extra special. So I'm not sure which side is the front and then which side is the back. It has regular monogram on one side and then on the other side it has reverse monogram. I guess I'll be able to tell what side is the front and the back when I look inside, and whatever side the pocket is on, I guess that's going to be the back of the bag. But let's just start on this side for now. On this side, you've got the giant monogram, and then the handles are in reverse, which I think is such a nice contrast. It really makes the giant monogram pop. This side is also a monogram, but it's the normal size. And here's the side of the zipper that extends almost halfway down. The other side features giant reverse monogram, and I just really love the way it gives the bag a totally different look. It almost feels like having two bags in one. The handles on this side contrast too, but here they're in regular monogram. The other side, and this one is in reverse monogram. The bottom, and on the bottom there's just a simple seam down the middle connecting both sides. And then here is the top. So the bag has a double zip closure with gold tone hardware, and the zipper again extends almost halfway down the side, which is going to make it so much easier to get in and out of the bag. Inside is just a crossbody strap that I'll show you in a second. And I'm assuming that this is the chain that comes with it. My CA always puts the accessories in an extra dust bag, which I really, really appreciate. The strap is a black leather two-piece crossbody strap. There are 7 different holes for adjustment, but unfortunately it didn't fit me the way I had hoped. I'm gonna hang on to it, but it's not going to be my strap for this bag. And then this is the chain. So my CA just put it in this Louis Vuitton dust bag. This chain right here for me was actually the star of the show, you guys. So it's a gold chain strap with black leather woven in between the links, and it is absolutely beautiful. And I am definitely going to be using it on more than just this On-The-Go. So I'm about to start carrying this bag right away, you guys. So I just wanted to pack it with you just to show you what I'll be able to fit inside. This really isn't a big bag at all, but I'm sure all my essentials will fit no problem. It does have 2 outer compartments for extra space. I don't think I'll ever use those compartments, but they are there for extra space. Here again is another look at the chain strap. This really is a really pretty strap. It feels substantial, but still light enough that I could wear it all day. This bag used to come with a guitar strap and a round coin pouch. And as much as I love a guitar strap, I feel like with this bag, the chain just looks so much more polished and put together than the guitar strap. Now that round coin pouch is another story, and I may have purchased one to go on it, so stay tuned for that. The interior is lined in a bold red textile. There's the flat pocket on the back wall, so the reverse side is actually the back of the bag. And then there's nothing on the front. So first inside is my key pouch S. I just keep my keys in here along with a couple of extra cards. Next inside is my favorite wallet, my Monogram zippy coin purse. I really wish Louis Vuitton would make this in reverse monogram. I know they used to make it in the giant print, but I would really love a reverse monogram zippy coin purse. Louis Vuitton, if you're watching, can you please make that happen? Next inside is my card case in reverse monogram, and you guys, this is going to go perfect with my bag. Chanel hand cream. It's starting to feel a little bit snug in here. I just want you guys to see how it looks so far with everything inside. I might have to play a little Tetris with it, but let's keep going. My MagSafe portable charger. And this might be a tight fit. Actually, it's not, so it does fit right inside. It looks like the zipper is a little wonky if I keep it in, so maybe I won't carry it. I've also already ordered a bag organizer for this bag, which will also take up a little bit of space, so I'm just keeping that in mind while packing it. And then finally, here's my iPhone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max that should just fit right inside, and it does. And again, you can always use the front or back compartments if you need to carry more stuff. I don't generally carry much, so this will be perfect for me, and this is how everything looks inside. So I would say this is a small to medium sized bag. It's definitely not a tiny bag, but it's still compact enough that it doesn't feel bulky or heavy. It's perfect for every day when you just want the essentials without lugging around a huge tote. And honestly, that's what makes it so practical and why I think I'm going to reach for this one all the time. It's just going to be effortless to carry, and I think will pretty much go with anything I wear. Here it is again with everything taken out. There's also that extra slip pocket on the back wall that you can always use for a card, your ID, or anything else you want easy access to. You guys, I have wanted an On-The-Go in my lineup for so long. The PM and the MM just really didn't fit my lifestyle, but this one, you guys, I feel like is going to be the perfect top handle bag, and I'm also going to be getting a different crossbody strap for it. I tried it on in store with the Pochette Matisse crossbody strap, and it fit perfectly. I ended up selling my Pochette Matisse, so I no longer have that bag in my lineup, but you guys, trust me, I am working on getting that strap back because that strap just fits so perfect on this bag. So again, you guys, this bag is celebrating a bittersweet moment for me. I ended up just recently resigning from my job that I had been on for 9 years. You guys, it was a long time coming. I used to work a really fast-paced, high-stress job, and it was starting to take a toll on me. And I just felt like it was time to step away. So I made the decision to leave, and it was the best decision I could have made. Initially, I purchased another bag that I really wanted to be the bag to mark that occasion, and it was the Saint Laurent large LouLou. But I had so many problems with that bag. I ended up purchasing it 3 times. The first one that I ordered was in the color Urban Gray, which on the website, it looked like a chic, smoky neutral, but in real life, it read much darker, more black than the gray I expected. The second one I ordered was a natural tan. That color was a little different in real life, but I wasn't mad at it. I even recorded a whole unboxing video. After filming though, I noticed something stuck to the back of the bag, and when I got it off, it left a small spot where it looked like color was missing. At first, I thought I could just roll with it, but a friend reminded me that for the price, I shouldn't have to accept a flaw, and I agreed. So I ended up returning it and decided to try a darker color that would better hide any imperfections. So I then ordered the large LouLou in Rogue Cabernet, and that one had a big dent on the bottom, which was just not going to work. So I ended up just giving up on the LouLou, and I'm really glad that I did because this bag is the perfect one for me. I already know that I'm going to use this bag. I'm actually going to be using it right now, you guys. And honestly, after all that back and forth with the LouLou, it feels like it was made for me and fits perfectly into my lineup. So that's my On-The-Go East West, you guys. I'm honestly so excited to start using this bag, and I love that it marks a really special moment in my life. So every time I carry it, it's going to remind me of this new chapter I'm stepping into. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.